Now I'm going to sure that there is presence of what?
Hydrogen
Gas in that test tube. Huh? Good of luck. Okay, have you heard that first sound?
Yes, sir.
Now again, now last. Yeah, you silent. No, listen now. Now listen, the pop sound. Okay. Anyone sir, bhai
Yes, sir.
Got that.